I have a Apple Watch Series 6 here. I'm going to show you how to use the blood oxygen measurement app. Okay. Now, first thing to note is if you don't have iOS 14 or above on your iPhone, you need to go ahead and update to at least iOS 14 in order to get the blood oxygen measurement app. Okay. Anyway, so from your watch, we're just going to go ahead and look for the app, which is right here. You can see. So just tap on that. Now your wrist needs to be like resting, and this can't be too tight or too loose or too low. Sometimes you have to adjust it. The first time I do this, sometimes it doesn't work right away, but let's go ahead and give this a try. So we're going to go to start, and it always starts at 15 seconds. Just rest your arm here. Let's see if I get it on the first try. Again, sometimes it doesn't work and I have to like adjust it or kind of make my band a little bit tighter. Let's see if this works. Okay, not successful. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and dismiss it. And then I'm just going to go ahead and move it up a little bit more. And then we're going to go ahead and start again. And hopefully this will work. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. There we go. 89%. Pretty simple.